Whirling Tornadoes. So most important thing to keep in mind as far as with the hands is that the palms are up at all times, and the motion is leading with the fingertips. So the hands are acting like a snake, and the feet are the legs, the lower part of the body is in bow and arrow stance. So as if we're going to be shooting a bow and arrow. You have the front foot pointing exactly forward, and the back foot is at a 45-degree angle. So you want to make sure you have a steady, wide base, enough space to move. And so we'll be doing this motion a lot with the lower part of the body, where you're just shifting weight from the front to the back. And as you shift the weight, you're twisting your dantian, your abdomen. So nothing's really happening with the arms yet. You just want to get a sense of this lower body movement. So at the beginning, both palms are together, palms facing up. You're forward, and as you come back, the back hand will shoot out behind you, circle up, 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 and then keep circling around, making a wide circle, and then back down to center. And then you hand off the other hand, palm up, fingertips leading, circling around, and then back down. It really helps to follow with your eyes, your your intention, your focus. So when you are following with your eyes, the focus of that focal point of your nose is also centered with your shoulders and your chin, your chest, your whole torso. So everything then is connected and integrated. So you circle around and then down, and then you alternate. So there is a part that's happening below. It's not just this upper part, it's also this lower part. So when one hand is doing the upper part, the other hand is slowly moving across the lower abdomen. And then it's like a handoff, it's a trade. So where one ends, the other begins. So also on my back leg, so my weight is on my back. I come to neutral, and then I'm going on my front leg, I come back to neutral, and then I go back again. So there's a lot going on with whirling tornadoes. Like I said at the beginning though, it helps to focus on the palms staying up and the fingertips leading the way. Be sure to keep the shoulder down. It's not like this. So I know it's hard to have the palm up, so oftentimes it'll help if you actually tilt your body a little bit so your palm can still be up, It's much harder if you're trying to be upright and have that palm up. It's really stressful. So at the beginning, palms together towards the body. The back hand shoots out, circling around, and back down, alternating. I'm going to switch legs, so I'm going to switch the stance. So the way I do that is bring the foot together, or feet together, and then just go on the other leg. But the hands are still doing the same thing. So I can do that again. So I'm on the back leg. When I come forward, I step forward and switch sides. Be sure to bring the hands across the waist. So I'm switching it up a little bit now where I'm just having the hands, I'm focusing the movement so that the hands are just going across the waist. But it's still integrated, so I'm still moving forward and moving back. You can still take that step. Whirling Tornadoes.